Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this power tool rack from the manufacturer to do a review. It's made by Joirack. So let's open it up, look at its features, get it assembled together, and see how it works. Okay, let's open it up. We'll pull out all the parts and see what this thing is all about. Okay, here's all the pieces out of the box. You have several, looks like pre-assembled racks. Very well built, heavy duty, black powder coated. Pack of nuts, bolts, and a set of instructions, 6 steps. So let's read through those and assemble it together and see what it looks like. Okay, the first step is to install these tool holders. So most of the machine bolts and hex nut requires a wrench and an Allen wrench, which is included. Okay, this requires 2 machine bolts. We'll get them started by hand. Okay, now we want to do the side panels, C and D, using 2 bolts on each side. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm gonna wait about tightening all of these up to make sure everything fits easily together, and then I'll go back and tighten all the bolts up. Okay, next we want to assemble the first rack. We have 3 of these pre-assembled racks that's already split in the middle. One goes on this first level, then the second rack. Okay, we have 2 more shelves to do. Okay, we're ready to install the top rack, and you may notice this has several perforated holes on one side of the rack, unlike these other 3 racks here. So this one goes on the top, and the side with the perforated hose goes to the back of the rack. This is the front, this is the back, and you can tell because the back has 4 different mounting slots that you mount to the wall. Okay, this is the power tool rack installed on my wall. I'm very pleased with the outcome of it. You have a place to organize some of your screwdrivers, your batteries for your various power tools, and a good place to hang your power tools here, readily accessible. It was very easy to assemble, and it is very sturdy. Will hold up to 200 pounds total. So I highly recommend this power tool rack from Joirack.